everyone. My name is Ronald Gabriel Ciprianes, and I'm your host for this morning, together with my co-host.
Hi guys, I'm Gio Buladao, and welcome to our topic discussion that is entitled.
Removing senior high school in K-12 curriculum.
So, before that, let's welcome first our guest from Cavite State University, Dasmariñas Campus.
Give them a round of applause.
Nice to meet you everyone. Thank you for
Thank you for
coming.
accepting our invitation for
Yes.
this morning. So, before that, pakilala po muna kayo kung sino po kayo.
So, hello po, my name is Sheena Luzon and
My name is Ron Karani.
Baka meron po kayong gusto shoutout or batiin natin yung mga nanonood sa atin ngayong umaga.
Shout out to my family here in Laguna and yun is
sa hello guys sa mga
And before that, let's talk about the senior high school.
So, what is senior high school? Senior high school is the last 2 years of study in K-12 programs that is made up of grade 11 and grade 12. It gives special courses and tracks like academical track and technical vocational livelihood.
Oh, so yun pala yung meaning ng senior high school. And now, let's ask our guest, ano pa yung mga benefits ng pagkakaroon ng isang K-12 sa curriculum natin na napagdaanan nyo?
So, as it said, these are many benefits of senior high school in K-12 curriculum. So, it includes the preparation in college for the student to not be able to shop when they're in college. Like sa time natin, di ba? Minsan, sa isang araw, isang subject lang. No? Pati yung oras ng pagpasok natin, di ba?
So, next naman.
How about you, Mr. Granny?
Next one is academic track and the technical vocational enhancement. This where the student can choose early what they want to pursue. What is the related to college courses like UMS for academic and possible courses are teacher, criminology, journalism, and etc. And for technical vocational is ICT for computer and for BS hospitality management for cookery and etc.
Miss Monson, may dadagdag ka pa ba?
And lastly, it's giving them knowledge about the entrepreneurship, like business.
Ay, actually, coloring. Sa nung senior high school ako, may mga nakibenta ng mga estudyante. We buy them, of course. Yun.
So sa loob ng school nyo is, mga student is nagbi-business.
Yes.
Ano yun? So, part na nila na activities nila
Yes,
sa school
yes.
and participation. So, okay.
Yes, and so that's why senior high school is really big help to students to see what real words what happen outside and daily life.
Oh, so, painitan na painit yung
Grabe,
discussion
no?
natin ngayon.
Grabe.
So, bibitinin muna namin kayo. Magbabalik kami, maya-maya lang, after this break.
Lights, camera, action.
Kapira Blanca, just creamy, kerde laser. Bili pa kayo sa tindahan ni Salde, mura na, mahal pa.
Guys, welcome back to our podcast channel. Let's continue our discussion, our topic.
So, before that, may question lang ako sa ating mga guests and sa aking host. So, Miss Bulata, ano yung strand na kinuha mo during your senior high school?
During my senior high school, I chose humanities and social science.
Oh, same. How about Miss Galani?
Humanities and social science. Talaga na.
And also, I take humanities and social science.
Wow. Okay, now let's talk. What will happen if there is a senior high school? Mr. Galani?
The student will be able to shop from junior high school to college already. The student will not have exact experience about college and job.
Miss Monson?
I just want to share my experience on the high school. So, before kasi, I'm super really shy, no? I have fear to oh, you also? I have fears to people, fear to judge them, no? And when I'm in a senior high school na, no? Syempre, all we know, senior high school is about reporting, oral, etc. So my confidence is, syempre, medyo lumas because of the senior high school.
Oh, so wait, may tanong lang ako. Ako lang ba dito yung nahihiya talagang magsalita sa harap ng buong klase?
No.
So, taas kami dyan yung mga, guilty.
Guilty, guys. Customize.
Mr. Galati, baka may sasabihin.
Yes, you're right also. The Attitude program is designed to give students enough time to acquire the skills and knowledge they need for their future, just like Ms. Monson said earlier.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's right. So, again, pipitinin namin ulit kayo sa aming discussion since pagbabalik kami and pagbalik namin, marami kami isi-share na thoughts sa inyo. We will back later.
Favorite ko, Coffee ko Blanca. Delicious ba? Hindi lang yan. Creamy! Hindi lang yan. Ito pa, gentle din sa tummy. Sweets na, Coffee ko Blanca. Creamy, gentle din sa tummy.
So, hi guys! Welcome back again to our discussion. Let's continue.
So, dito na tayo sa exciting part which is bibigyan sila ng kanilang mga thoughts and ideas about their senior high school journey. So, wala ka?
So, before we move on sa mga question, no, let's, since we talk about the curriculum which is K-12 in senior high school, what's a memorable experience that you will never ever forget?
Yung, bali, the one that I can forget na experience ko sa senior high school is yung work immersion. Bali, alam niyo naman na kapag nag-senior high is hindi nawawala yung work immersion. Bago tayo makasampa sa susunod na level, which is magkakaroon talaga tayo ng work immersion. Which is, yun yung nakatulong sa akin dahil na-assign ako sa criminology na school. Bali, nakatulong sa akin para ma-pursue or kunin talaga itong courses na tinetake ko ngayon as a college as a criminology student. Bali, yun yung best
So,
way.
napaka-memorable naman nun, no? So, yun. After everything we've discussed, can we really imagine with education without senior high school in one countries?
So, honestly, para sa akin, hindi ko ma-imagine na tatanggalin o nawawala yung senior high school curriculum dahil nakakatulong ito sa mga student, which is nakakatulong siya in a way na natutulungan niya yung estudyante para maging handa, not academically, but personally, sa mga challenges na ma-encounter nila in the future.
Exactly. So, sa akin kasi, senior high school, give me a confidence, diba? Nakatulad din sinabi ko kanina. So, kung hindi natin siya susuportahan, yun ang mga susunod na student, no? From junior high to college, masasyak talaga sila, no? Sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa
And beyond, academic senior high school offers real experiences like entrepreneurship and technical skills that are crucial in today's fast-changing world.
Yun, so tama yung sinabi ni Mr. Karani. Dahil tinutulungan ng curriculum na to na maging business-minded din tayo. Na makakatulong talaga sa pamumuhay natin sa araw-araw.
So, it's so clear that senior high school isn't just about extra 2 years, but a bridge that strengthens our students for life beyond the classroom.
So yeah, instead of removing K-12 curriculum, why not i-support na lang natin and improve natin yung curriculum na yun since nakakatulong siya sa marami nating estudyante. In many ways, since sabi nga nga ni Mr. Karani, nakakatulong siya na tinuturuan tayo maging business-minded na sa panahon natin yun is makakatulong talaga. And hindi lang yung pagiging business-minded. Marami rin paraan, like pwede natin pasukin yung journalism, sa pagsusulat na sumatuloy tayo na magsusulat na mahanap natin pagdating natin sa college, right? So, kaya ko nasabi yun, since meron na kami sabihin sa inyo lahat. Because preparing our student today means building a strong nation tomorrow.
So, guys, that's all for the podcast for today.
Yes.
And we hope that our viewers got insights about the discussion, the importance of K-12 curriculum here in our life.
Yes, tama yun. So, bago kami mag-end, thank you so much sa mga bisita.
Yes,
Si
David.
Ms. Monson,
Thank you,
Mr. Galani. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Salamat sa pag-accept ng invitation namin and sana marami kami na bigay na insights and ideas sa inyo about sa aming experience noong senior high school kami. So, may gusto ba kayong sabihin sa mga viewers?
Maraming salamat and very thank you so much sa mga hosts sa gagandang
Yes. Ako lang.
Thank you guys.
I appreciate it, guys. Grabe.
Thank you guys.
That's right. For more